When you begin practicing facial exercises, it's common to notice that one side of your cheeks appears bigger, stronger, or even more defined than the other. This happens because of the natural muscles dominance, just like how one hand is stronger than the other. With awareness and proper techniques, you can balance out your cheeks over time. Here are some tips. Focus on the weaker side. So perform extra repetition on the weaker side to have it catch up and apply more resistance or slightly longer hold on the weaker side. Perform the exercises slowly to ensure that both cheeks engage properly. Use a mirror to monitor symmetry and adjust the movements as needed. And last but not least, massage. You can use your hands or kwasha to massage and relax the thigh muscles and prevent further imbalance. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Thank you so much for watching and follow for more.